everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another video. Yes, y'all, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching everything, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, and follow me on Instagram, as well as following or using my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. You are my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. So thank you for always supporting me, y'all. Let's get into this video. This video is going to be something special, something I absolutely love, y'all. And this ain't no cap, I absolutely love. Rose Forever contacted me and asked if I wanted some roses, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at this box. This is a hat box. Rose Forever have so many different boxes, as well as colors, as well as texture boxes that you can, and shaped, that you could get these roses in. If you don't know, these roses last up to a year, sometimes longer, y'all. Amazing roses, and they have a number of different colors that you could get. I chose to get the hat box, the round box. The lid just slides off, as you see, and look at this. Oh my goodness. Beautiful roses, y'all. Oh my gosh. Love it. I absolutely love this, and I opted to get the pink ones because I was trying to match this photo back here, this picture that I normally have in the back. So I wanted some roses to match that. Love it. I am not disappointed at all. Amazing, and I can't say it enough, y'all. I did get some of these roses almost a year ago. Someone sent me some last year for my birthday, and yes, they do last a year. They don't change. These are natural, real roses, y'all. I don't know how they do it. I'm not sure how they do it, but these are real roses. You don't have to water them. They don't need sunlight, none of that. Amazing. Oh. Now, I've gotten real roses, and I'm sure a lot of y'all have had real roses. And you know, real roses only last a week or two. And you know, you got to put the little solution stuff inside the water in order to, like the plant food, in order for those roses to last 2 weeks. But with this, you don't have to worry about that at all. You don't have to do anything but open them and set them up. That's all you have to do. Just open up the box and set it wherever you want it. Also, Rose Forever New York actually has a specialist that picked the best roses that they could find in their arrangements. And like I said, you could pick from a number of different colors. I think they have like 15 different rose color, from black to white, red, pink, just about any color that you're looking for. You could get it in any different box style. If you want a box like a heart-shaped box, you could get that as well. Also, Roses Forever did send me a discount code, and I will put that on the screen so you could get a little bit of money off your purchase. Down in the description box, I will have a link to their website along with my discount code, so you can save a little bit of money on your arrangement, your flower arrangements. Y'all know Valentine's is coming. If you're gonna get roses or ask your significant other for roses, I highly, highly, highly recommend getting some Forever roses, some Rose Forever. These roses do last. They do last, y'all. They do last. Oh my gosh, I love them. And don't take this as cap, because it is not cap. I honestly do love these roses, and I do know that they last a year because I have some. And I'm sure you've seen them inside of my Instagram posts. I think I put them inside of one of my videos before. I'm not sure, but most definitely, I know y'all, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you've seen my roses in some of my photos. And I've had those roses since August, and they look the same. So yes, yes, yes. Love, love, love Rose Forever New York. Yes, and you got to remember, these roses last up to a year and probably longer. So if you really like count the money, how much it costs per day, is literally probably less than 50 cents a day. I'm sure. So if you're gonna buy roses, don't waste your money on getting the roses from the grocery store or any of that stuff. You might as well go ahead and buy you some of these roses that will last a year. I'm just saying, y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to come in and real quick and talk about these roses. Leave in the comments, let me know, have you ever tried these roses that last up to a year? Let me know that in the comments, y'all. So yeah, don't forget to use my discount code to grab you some roses, or grab, you know, save a little money. You know, so yeah, that's gonna be it, y'all. That's gonna be, I just had to come in here and show y'all my roses, and also offer y'all that discount code if you want to use it. If you don't want to use it, ain't no big deal to me. I'm just trying to save everybody a little bit of money. So yes, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.